Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce costs with Amazon Web Services, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce costs with Amazon Web Services, start by assessing your current usage. Log into your AWS Management Console to check your cost and usage reports. Identify the services you are utilizing and their associated costs. Next, set up AWS budgets to gain insights into your spending and avoid unexpected charges. Consider using the AWS pricing calculator to estimate costs for different services and architectures. Evaluate your current resource utilization to find underutilized or idle resources. Use AWS Trusted Advisor to get recommendations for cost optimization. Implement automatic scaling for your services to adjust capacity based on demand. Explore savings plans or reserved instances for long-term workloads to reduce costs significantly. Regularly review and delete unused or redundant resources, such as EBS volumes or snapshots. Optimize your data transfer by using Amazon CloudFront, reducing the cost of bandwidth. Leverage Amazon S3 lifecycle policies to automatically transition data to cheaper storage classes. Migrate infrequently accessed data to Amazon S3 Glacier for long-term archiving at a lower cost. If you're using instances, consider spot instances for non-critical workloads to save on compute costs. Check your fifth utilization reports using AWS Compute Optimizer to right-size your instances. Implement tagging strategies to track and analyze spending across different departments or projects. Plan for serverless architectures with AWS Lambda to minimize costs for event-driven applications. Use AWS Cost Explorer to visualize your spending patterns and identify areas for savings. Conduct regular training sessions for your team on best practices for cost management in AWS. Finally, continuously monitor your costs to adapt your strategy and optimize savings as your needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.